Hello and welcome to our video on the number one thing you need to make money writing online in Kenya. You see, writing is a great way to make money online, but it's not always easy to break into this industry. There's a lot of competition out there and it can be very difficult to stand out from the crowd. However, there is one thing that can make all the difference when it comes to making money writing. Now, in this video, we are going to reveal what that one thing is and how you can use it to your advantage.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
So what is the number one thing you need to make money writing online? It is a strong portfolio. We've talked about this a lot. Now, a portfolio is a collection of your best writing samples that showcases your skills and expertise. It is the first thing that potential clients will look at when considering hiring you. A strong portfolio can help you stand out from the crowd and get more clients, which ultimately means more money. Let's dive into why a strong portfolio is so important. Number one, it showcases your writing skill. So a portfolio is a way for potential clients to see your writing skills in action. It demonstrates your ability to write compelling content that engages readers and gets them to take action. Your portfolio should include a variety of writing samples that demonstrate your range and versatility as a writer. Number two, it establishes your credibility. It shows that you have the experience and expertise in your field and that you can take your work seriously. So when clients see that you have a portfolio filled with quality writing samples, they'll be more likely to trust you with their projects. Number three, it demonstrates your professionalism. Now, a well-organized portfolio shows that you take your work seriously and that you are organized and reliable. Clients want to work with such writers, of course, who are professional and can deliver quality work on time. And of course, a strong portfolio can help you showcase these skills. Now that we've established why portfolio is important, let's talk about how to create one. The first step in creating a strong portfolio is to choose your niche. So decide what type of content you want to specialize in, whether it's blogging, copywriting, technical writing, or something else. This will help you target your portfolio to the type of clients you want to attract. Once that's done, so once you've chosen your niche, it's time to start collecting your best writing samples. So look for examples of your work that showcase your skills and expertise. If you don't have any published writing samples already, consider creating some on your own. You can write blog posts, articles, or other types of content to add to your portfolio. Once you have your writing samples, it's important to organize them in a way that's easy to navigate. You can create a website or use a platform like Contently to showcase your work. So make sure your portfolio is visually appealing and easy to read. Finally, it's important to keep your portfolio up to date. Add new writing samples as you complete them and remove old samples that no longer represent your work best. And remove older samples that no longer represent your best work. Your portfolio should always showcase your most recent and best writing. So as we've established, you need a strong portfolio to make money. A portfolio showcases your writing skills, establishes your credibility, and of course demonstrate your professionalism. So by choosing your niche, collecting your best writing samples, and organizing your portfolio, and of course keeping it up to date, you can create a credible portfolio that will help you stand out from the crowd and gets you hired. So there you have it, guys, the number one thing you need to make money writing online in Kenya.